Hello world, welcome to DevHooks channel. In this course we are going to explore data structures in JavaScript. We are going to do this step by step with great details. So the start will be the JavaScript built-in data structures like sets, maps, arrays, objects. This course requires some basic information about JavaScript algorithms and time complexity. Well, I'm super excited to start, I hope you are too. Let's dive in. So, first of all, let's dive into obviously most important question. What are data structures in programming? And why do we need them? Well, in computer science, a data structure is the simplest way to present and manage data. More precisely, a data structure is a collection of data values, the relationships among them, and the functions or operations that can be applied to data. Examples, in case of JavaScript but actually for most programming languages, would be arrays, objects, maps and sets. Referring to JavaScript syntax. An array stores values that are all of the same data type sequentially, but JavaScript allows us to create arrays from different data types. Objects, where you group data together in one object. For example, we can group the name of person, which is a string, with the age, which is a number, together in one object called person. And then you have maps and sets, where you store values in pairs key value, with a little bit difference between them. We are going to come back to those later in this course. These are the four big data structures that you have in JavaScript, typically for most other programming languages. Now, why do we need such different data structures? Well, the answer is not simple, it depends to your program use case. Let's say you have in your project a lot of different tasks, requires different way to manage data. Here a couple of common use case maybe you'll have. Number 1, you want to store a list of data in such order, or maybe you want to allow data duplication. The best solutions for this case is array data structure. Number 2, if the order does not matter and you don't want duplicates, a set may be the right choice. Number 3, sometimes you need the key value pairs and you don't care about data order. For that in JavaScript of course you have object. Finally, you have map, if your data a key value pairs format and you want this data to be ordered or iterable. Now, let's move to play with each case of these cases, and we are going to start with array in the next video. So, I hope you understand the main purpose of data structures and you are able to make your choice depend of your needs. See you next time, bye.